You ready to keep going? Go ahead.
Come on.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our Average Wild Experience. We are at Peaks of Otter in Virginia. And there's two trails we're doing here. So we got Sharp Top Trail first, and then Flat Top Trail
Second. So I did this trail back when I was like 11 or 12, so too many years ago. Not disclosing that. But we are headed back up to Sharp Top. So yeah, lots of stairs on this one if I remember correctly. Yep, these are the stairs I remember. It's 1.5 miles, which means we have to go up 1.5 and back down 1.5. Total of 3. Ah, yes. Vectors of yesteryear. Duct tape.
I don't know if I'd be holding my weight on there. Man, these stairs. Whew. Whew.
Big steps.
Big steps today. Yep. Upside of this hike, lots of good places to rest.
Yes, lots of good little pull-offs here.
1.2 miles, 740 feet elevation. It's just been up, 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 up.
Yeah.
Even this is flat, but still up.
Almost there. 1,900 feet to Sharp Top. I figure we'll take the 600 feet to also stop at Buzzard's Roost.
1,900 feet. All right, come on, little Bill, this way.
Other people.
How many times you done this so far?
This is my third today. I'll be about 31 miles before the day's over.
Holy cow.
Crazy.
31 miles.
That's an ultra marathon. Anything over 26.2 is considered an ultra marathon.
You ready to keep going? Go ahead.
Come on. She took a little puppy break.
We'll need a puppy break.
Football summit. How's it cool? We're there. The final ascent. Hopefully.
Oh, steps. It's flat top, huh? That's what we're doing next.
Yep, that's
What do you think?
It's gorgeous. 360-degree view up here.
Well, we are headed down. All the way down, 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 down.
Highly recommend Sharp Top. Really awesome hike. Definitely a challenging hike, but worth it. Hiking Flat Top Mountain. We just did Sharp Top, now we're doing the opposite.
We are headed to the Flat Top Trail. And up there, that peak is Sharp Top.
That we just did.
That we just did, exactly. So I was looking down here at this lake and the lodge. I was like, huh, that's pretty cool. Didn't even know we were gonna be walking right next to them.
Made it to the trailhead after a half-mile walking from the parking lot.
We could have parked right there. Instead, we're all the way over there.
Way up there.
I'll post where to park. But we are following the dark blue blazes. We'll see if they're better than Georgia's blazes.
Georgia was bad last week. Nothing was marked. It was rough.
This trail is definitely steeper.
It's definitely tough.
The name is misleading. It's not flat by any means. It got steeper. All I'm saying is on the way back down, there better be a runaway truck ramp for me. I may need it.
Not gonna be able to stop.
Nope.
At least it's not super rocky. Like, I find this kind of trail is easier to walk on, down or up, compared to like a really rocky trail where you're like, I have to stop up here and I have to navigate there and I have to. So down, this will definitely be easier, I think.
Sharp Top, I think, was harder because, as Megan put it, you're like stepping up on boulders and rocks and things, and you're just constantly stepping up. So I think that's definitely harder. But I think for me, at least, this one's just more tiring. Oh wow. That is stunning. One last view.
All right, we have descended the mountain. I would say that we're here because the parking lot's right in front of me. But yeah, this lovely app started us 0.4 miles up the road. So even though I can see the parking lot in front of me, we still have to walk up this hill to get back to where we parked.
So we have a saga update. Y'all remember the crazy runner who was doing 31 miles? Well, we just passed him for the
4th time.
yeah. And so we said, aren't you done yet? At 31 miles. That was this morning. And so I just got done 31 miles. So then I asked him what he was training, what race he was training for, and what did he say?
Nothing, I just run all the time. You do you, man. Amazing. Amazing.
Good for him. That guy is a legend, I'll tell you what. But, whew, can you imagine?
No, I've done several half marathons, and that's 13.1. So no, I can't imagine flipping those numbers around.
Yeah, I guess it is flipped, isn't it?
Yeah, literally.
Huh. Yeah. So, good for him. I'm glad he really enjoys it, clearly. But he was so nice. The third time we passed him, he's like, oh, you guys headed all the way up? And now just a little bit further. He's like, oh, you guys have water? You good with everything? I mean, just a super nice dude.
Oh, yeah.
We're like, we should be asking you if you have water.
Yes.